Did you know that your Chromebook will read for you? In this video, I will show you how to set up the Read Aloud tool, which is called Select to Speak on a Chromebook, and get you started using it. The first place that we're going to go is the clock area down here in the corner. And if you see the word accessibility and the little person here, you are basically almost ready to use the tool. If you don't see this in your tray right here, please go to the settings gear. Over on the left-hand side, go to accessibility, and then this is the button that you need to turn on where it says show accessibility options in quick settings, and that will force that accessibility person and this button to be here so that when you click on it, you'll see all the tools. The one that we're going to use right now is called Select to Speak. It's going to make our Chromebook read to us. Did you notice that when I turned it on, it bounced down here to the shelf where it lives? So in order to have good access to it all the time, we're going to click on the shelf, right click on the shelf, that's a 2-finger click on your touchpad, and choose Always Show the Shelf. That way it will not be disappearing on us and making us look for that tool. All right, last step we need to do is choose the voice we want to listen to. So we're going back to the clock area. We're going to the settings gear. The word accessibility on the left-hand side. Here it says text to speech. Follow this arrow. And then select to speak is basically right here, and right underneath it, it says select to speak settings. So turn that switch on and follow that little arrow. We're going to skip partway down the screen to where it says use natural voice when device is online. Make sure that that is turned on. If it's not turned on, turn it on. And then you're going to look in this list and find a voice that you want to listen to. If you don't see a big list here, it means your operating system is not updated, and you should shut down and update your operating system before going any further. But we can hear some of these. For example, you can have an Australian accent.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
Or United Kingdom.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
I'm going to stick with that one for right now. Next, highlight each word as it is spoken. That's really nice to have turned on. You can even choose the color that it will be highlighted. We'll stick with blue. And we can choose to dim the background as it's reading if we want to. That helps focus our reading attention. And you definitely want to leave the navigation controls turned on. And now we're ready to go try it out. So let's close out our settings. Click on the icon to try, and now you're basically going to draw a box around whatever it is you want it to read out loud to you.
Afghanistan is located in Central Asia, with Iran to the west and Pakistan to the east.
So it will start reading immediately. You can skip ahead with these buttons here. You can pause and play with this button, and you can control the speed with this button. So one is the regular reading speed. To go faster,
East, tall, forbidding mountains and dry deserts cover most of the
is to go to a number that's higher than 1. And if you really want it to slow down, so it's reading extra slow, choose the number that's lower than 1, in this case 0.5.
landscape of Afghanistan.
Okay, which is very, very slow. Let's try it over here on a PDF. Again, you're going to turn it off and on with the button right there and drag a box around what you want it to read.
Plankton are an essential component of life on Earth. Marine plankton, found in all ocean ecosystems, play a critical role in maintaining the health and balance of the.
All right, there we go. Okay, so working great. That is, I'm going to turn it off right there. That is Select to Speak on your Chromebook. Thank you for watching, and remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.